Well, don't be surprised if you get woken up by storms overnight.
I like to sleep in storms, as long as they're not too bad.
Right.
As long as not
and
too
then
bad.
you can't go back to sleep, you know.
Yeah.
Right.
But it knocks me out.
If it's not severe, it's good. That nice rumble of thunder off in the distance is what we want. Right. Just like.
But how about these?
Go back to sleep.
What do you think?
Yeah, so we're tracking some storms overnight, guys. One thing that we're going to have to watch out for is going to be that timing of it. You mentioned it, 2 to 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. I think that's going to be the concerned time frame because, one, we're sleeping, and two, it's going to kind of bleed into that morning commute where a lot of us are going to be getting up and trying to get the kids out the door for school tomorrow morning. Let's give you those 3 things here to watch out for with these storms as we start off. Again, the strongest of these storms look to arrive between 2 and 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Now, we say storms. I'm primarily concerned with rainfall with this. I think we could get a lot of rain over a short period of time that may result in some flooding. That said, there's also that secondary and third concern with damaging winds and maybe a brief tornado. Not a great concern, but something that we're going to be tracking as we go through these times right here. It likely arrives between midnight and around 2 o'clock in the morning there out towards Lancaster County. I think it starts to move up towards Reading there right around 2 and then into the Lehigh and Delaware Valley between 1 and 4 o'clock in the morning. It'll likely start to move down the shore out into South Jersey there between 3 and 6 o'clock. Now that's just the strongest arrival time for those storms. I think we see some lingering showers as we head through the first half of the day tomorrow. Your Tuesday evening is not bad. Just a few very isolated showers down through southern Delaware. Otherwise, this is the cold front that we're tracking with those scattered showers and storms out ahead of it. But behind this cold front, some cooler air. Actually, Columbus, Ohio, it's 67 right now. Meanwhile, 67 in Pittsburgh. And here we are on the warm side of things. Temperatures all up along the eastern seaboard in the middle 80s. Here's the cooler temperatures on the way. Mid 70s through Friday. We're back into the upper 70s on Saturday. And then some low 80s back to near normal for the beginning of next week. Out ahead of the front, it's warm, it's humid. It will stay that way up until, well, the rain arrives. And again, that's going to be overnight tonight, likely arriving after midnight. And we'll see that chance for some showers and storms that could be a little on the strong side. It's not a great threat. It's honestly on the scale of 0 to 5. It's a 1. It's a marginal risk for some severe storms. But again, some of these storms could pack some pretty heavy rainfall and maybe some gusty winds. So we'll have to watch out for that threat. But after lunchtime, I think most of the area is done with the rain, clearing skies into tomorrow afternoon. Not just clearing skies, but drier air on the way for the second half of the day tomorrow into the second half of the week. Right now, though, it's warm. It's a little on the humid side. 79 in Allentown. I've got 79 also in Wildwood. 83 right now in Trenton. Looking at mostly clear skies for most of the night up until around midnight. Some clouds begin to increase and then those showers and storms start to roll in as we go through the first half of the day tomorrow. Have a way to get those weather alerts and then make sure you have a plan in case something does get a little bit crazy. Mid 70s out there for tomorrow afternoon. That's it. Cloud cover and that northwesterly flow that ushers in the cooler air that will settle in for the second half of the week. And what a forecast. I love it. 77 on Saturday, 80 on Sunday. And then again, we're back up to near normal with more sunshine into the beginning of next week. How about it, guys?